I am a dog lover, and this Classic 18-905 Cozy Christmas set is definitely one of my favorites in this set. Look at that precious little puppy in front of the reindeer pillow on the sofa. This is something like you would see at our house. It's a lot like something you'd see at our house. Bryce is sitting here behind the camera shaking his head and smiling. Yes, it is. It's just the kind of scene you would see at our house. We do love our pets, and we have a lot of them. They're beautiful toppers. Look at this. Oops, I have it upside down. The reindeer are leaping downward. There we go. Now the reindeer are leaping upward. We got these beautiful reindeer on this side. You got that gorgeous foiling and this beautiful burgundy diagonal stripe. Gorgeous paper. Nice little Christmas tree, nice Christmas border here. Let's see what we did with these. I had a lot of fun with this one. I must be getting into the spirit of the season because I'm really enjoying decorating these Christmas trees. Okay, this is a 6x6 card. I've taken it and covered it with gold mirror board. I've taken that Christmas corner off the upper left-hand side of that, cut it slightly smaller, probably 1/4 of an inch smaller, to let 1/8 of an inch border of my gold mirror board show all the way around. I've taken that frame, broken it in 3 pieces, as I so often do, glued down the center, and put my very centerpiece and my outside frame up on some foam squares. And then I decorated the tree. Mostly it looks like with red balls and gold Christmas balls. I think I was just trying to kind of mirror what was already on the tree in the picture. And then it occurred to me that I had these really pretty Doodey Christmas chains that had the red balls and then the chain between the balls, and I just thought, wouldn't that be pretty there? And it was. It was gorgeous. I love this. So festive, so sparkly. Matching insert paper. Love it. Next up, here's the puppy. I use that diagonal burgundy stripe to cover a 5x7 card. Yep. And then I've taken a 1/2 inch off the top of that 5x7, making it 5x6.5. I split my frame in 3 pieces. First, the center piece is flush to the card. Outside and inside pieces are on foam squares. This one's also on some foam squares, did just for you. That puppy just didn't need any help. He carried the day all on his own. Matching insert paper, so cute. Next up, I had this little topper with the puppy, and I had this nice tree on the corner here. I was looking at the 2 of those and I thought, I wonder if I could just kind of match that topper up to be in front of that tree. And I think it was pretty successful, don't you? I think that turned out so cute. So I decorated the tree. I decorated the tree in the top of this up on some foam squares. I added that red holographic Season's Greetings and the corners off that red ball sticker sheet, and put that all on a card that has been covered with gold mirror board. I also added a star to the top of my tree. I think it had a little wimpy star there. I added a big gold star to the top of my tree with a sticker. And I actually, as I look here, I added a few little stars to the tree in my decorations as well, where I could see that they had little gold decorations there. Used my extra topper on the inside. It says, "It's not what's under the tree, but who's gathered around it." Isn't that true? Beautiful. Finally, had to get another one of those little side stepper cards in, but didn't this turn out beautiful? And you can see where I got it. I took it right from here. Right there. I left myself a piece of this red to work with, and I took this border right here. Now look how simply this has been done though. I've got my tag here that I've added. I added 3 stars in different sizes. I took my tag and just put a piece of organdy ribbon through it and tied just a little knot. And doesn't that just look cute? May the Christmas season bring you special moments and happy memories. I think this is just as cute as it can get. I have my cameraman up past his bedtime, so if you heard his yawn, it's not the content of the hour of the day that's coming into play. Okay, we got 4 beautiful cards from that puppy set. I just love this Cozy Christmas. We'll put a link to our newsletter so that you can get links to these products if you're interested. It'll be in the comments section. I'm Debbie, and we'll see you next time.